grammar of class 3. Okay, your chapter number 8 is action words and being words. Okay, so first of all take out your grammar workbook. Have you opened, children? Okay, now see page number 38. Open this page here. Okay, now see first definition given here in the box. What is given? Verbs are doing words and being words. जो verbs होते हैं that are known as doing words and that are being words. So they tell us how things are or what something is like. What they tell us, verb tell us that what someone is doing, what things are going on is like. Remember some common rules of usage. So here we will see what are the common rules for these all things. Okay, see here next one we will see here. We use am with I. We always use is with he, she and it. We use are with we, you and they. Now see here we will use I we will use always with am. Understanding, children, you are? See here always here it will come I with am. So now next is he, she, it. Okay, he, she, it, that is singular. We will always use here is. In simple sentence, when is simple present tense, we will always use here is with he, she, it. Okay. Now see next one, we, you and they. We will always use are. This is plural things. In plural, we will always use are. Okay. Now see next one we will read first. Then see here next. We use was with I, he, she and it. We also use it with singular nouns. We use where with we, you and they. We use it with plural nouns. Okay. Now see this thing was, when was come in the sentence, children, when it is past tense, at that time it comes was in the sentence. We will use with I, he, she and it. In past tense sentence we will use always was with I, he, she, it. Understand, children? Okay. Now see here it is given where. We, you, they. When it is plural in the past tense, at that time we will write where. So here in simple present we are using am with I. But in past tense we will not use am here. We will use what? Was. Understand, children? Keep in your mind this thing. Now here we will use we. Where? Sorry. We, you and they. This thing we will use where in the past tense. Okay. Now next see here. We have learned that do and does are used when work is being done, singular nouns. Do and does we will use with a singular noun when work is being done. Okay, see again. Singular nouns and pronouns take does with the exception of I. What I have written here, see. Singular nouns takes does except I and you. With these two things we will not use verb does. We will use here what? Do. When in the sentence we have given I and you, we will use do, not does, children. Okay. So see here, and plural nouns and pronouns take verb do, and in the plural nouns we will always use do. Singular. Okay, children, clear up till here? Okay. Now see here, last one is we use has with singular nouns and pronouns. We use have with plural nouns and pronouns. Okay, it is important to note that the verb have is always used with I and you. Now see here. Singular noun means he, she and it. With these three things we will not use has. Understanding, you are? Okay. Now see, in plural noun we, you, they, what we will use here? Here we will use have. Okay? But see here. When in the sentence we have given I and you. When in the sentence what we have given I and you, we will always use have. Okay, see here we have given fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the brackets. We have given here brackets. We will choose a correct verb. Okay, so see first one is given the cleaner, blank, the sweeping and mopping. We have given does and do here. Okay, so what we will use first, tell me that. What we will use? See, I have explained here you. What in singular noun we will always use does. So the cleaner means here it is a he. Okay, we are talking about a one person. Okay, so what we will write here in the first blank we will write does. Why does? Because the cleaner is a singular noun. We are talking about only one person and the work is being done. So that's why we will write here does. Okay. Now see second one we have given they blank obedient and intelligent children. Now see here this is a simple present tense. They blank obedient and intelligent children. So was it will come or are it will come. Was we are using with singular noun but in a past tense. So here we are using with the past tense we will use was. But what we have given here they. Okay, so they is a plural, right? So see here what here we have written here with they we will use always are. So our answer will be are. Understand? Now see third one. January blank a cold and a foggy month. Okay, so in the third bracket what we have given are or is. January is only 1 month, right? So this is a singular noun here. So what we will use is. See, he, she, it. It is. Why is? Simple present tense and a singular noun we have given. So we will write here is. Understand? Now see fourth number. Samir and Vicky blank a fine stamp collection. Have and has we have given here. Okay. So Samir and Vicky. We are talking about two persons. So, Samir and Vicky blank a fine stamp collection. So, what will come here? Have or has? Have. We will write here have children. Why? Because in plural nouns we are using have. Okay, so our answer will be have. Why have? Because here two persons, Samir and Vicky. Okay? Now, see fifth number. We blank meditation as a part of the yoga course. So, do and does we have given. So, first of all, see here what is given we. We means we are talking about more than one person. So, what we are using with we? Does or do? Come on, tell me. Here, singular noun we are using does and in the plural noun we are using do. So, our answer will be we do meditation. Why do here? Because we are talking about more than one person. So, our answer will be do. Okay? Now, see sixth number. She blank playing for her school team. So, simple present tense is given here. Is or are. She. See here. We are using is with the she because it is singular noun. So, here we will write is. Because here it is only one bulb. Okay. So, here it will come she is playing for her school team. Okay. Clear up till here. Now, see seventh number. In your book, I blank riding a black stallion in the show today. We have given are and am in the bracket. Children, I have already explained you that with I we will always use am in the simple present tense. Okay, so we will write here in the seventh blank. Our answer will be I am. Okay, I we have given. We are using am. Now see here eighth number. I blank many things such as pretty, as pottery, as a hobby. So we have given do and does. So with I what we are using? I and you always take verb do. So our eighth answer will be do. Here singular noun we are using does. But I and you are singular but except I and you which take verb do. With these two things we will always use do. If it is plural or it is singular. Okay. When in the question we have given I very good amusement park with many rides. Where or was? Now first of all tell me what is written. It is given so. See here, it is past tense and we have given it. Sorry, it we have given, okay. So it, and we will write here was. Why was? Because we are talking about only one thing and it is given it blank, a very good amusement park. The park was very good. So we are talking about a park and the park is only one. So we will write here was. Okay. My last number C. My mother blank collection of small glass statues. Have and has. My mother. Here again we are talking about one person, she. Okay. The mother is. My mother has a collection of small glass statues. So here we are talking about a mother. She is only one person, so we will use here has. See, singular noun we are using has. Okay children, clear up till here? Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then